lang. Siyempre, di ako magpapauli. Nandito yung source ng seafood eh.
Puro hipon yan. Ako ba? Ayan na. Nilalakad na naman kami sa palayan. Pupunta kami sa isang resort. Mag-over the bakod po kami. And para lang makita yung talagang daanan. So, touring lang kami. Ang anak ko may bago ng tatay. At eto na nga, you have to be careful or else lakad lang. Pupunta kami sa resort. At eto na nga. Sayang. Careful. Make sure ha. Make sure. Wow, good job. Go. Go, Zion, go. Go, Zion, go.
Well, I wish love was an easy song to write, 'cause I'd have pages worth of words that would
Ayun lang daw yung mga butas na tinatakasan ng mga crabs.
on my tongue. Oh,
Din pala sila ng diving mat.
Yes. Yun o, laki o. Oo, nag-swimming tayo.
run our
Ito yun.
words have been written open song.
Don't run.
My ears have heard, or I've cheapened
It's
with
an-
my tongue.
High tide. High tide. High tide. Yung nakaraan nilakad namin tumababa yung tubig. Pero ngayon high tide. So ayan, nakalubog yung mga puno. Ha?
But my songs feel, though not pretty or poetic, I hope you know it's true. I'm not perfect in my ways, and I let you down most days. No, it's true, but darling, I love you.
Ayan na, malapit na kami sa mga mangrove. White sand na dito. Ayan, natatouch na namin yung aming kadagatan. Tubig dagat. O, di ba? Woo! Look! Ano? Sa'yo dala. O, careful ha. Yung spiky ha. May kaartehan na pong iniinda. Normal yan, nak. Normal. Yan, mga mangroves. Sa lubog. O, diba? Imagine mo kapag ka nawala ka sa kawalan, tapos ito lang makikita mo, paano ka magso-survive? How will you survive in this kind of forest? Charot. Ano to? Bakit may mga bilog-bilog? Hindi ko maintindihan. Ano yan? Ayan. So, we will try na makapag-swim if ever. Pero, rush na rin kami sa oras. So, kaya, baka magtutour lang. Tapos, bukas na kami magsuswim. Wait lang. We will see kung makakapag-apa kami sa tubig. Ayan na, malapit na kami. Mukhang sasadyain nga ang tubig.
tracks of a lonely night. Oh love, you are worth the fight. 'Cause my soul's for you. Though not pretty or poetic, I hope you know it's true. I'm not perfect in my ways, and I let you down most days. No, it's true, darling, I wear my soul, it's for you. And although sometimes it's pathetic, I hope you know it's true. I'm not perfect in my ways, and I mess most of my days. But no, it's true, that darling, I love you. I love you. Yes, I do.